We are at Petland right now, aren't we, Nico?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna post this to YouTube. They're so little. Oh gosh. I want them all. Oh, Nico, look at this one. He's so fluffy.
Too big for them to like pull it
Let's
out.
look at the other ones. Oh, Nico, look, it's a duck.
Never mind, it's not good.
Hi, puppy. Puppy. What's this one? Oh, it's a chihuahua. Look at it. Look at how cute he is, Nico. Oh. Oh. Look at you. So tiny. Okay. Oh, there's two of them.
But aren't they like doing construction over there by your job? Maybe that's where it came from.
Puppy, puppy. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Nico, come on. Gotta look at some of the other dogs. We gotta decide which. Nico, do you want to hold a small dog or a little dog? A small dog or a big dog? Nico, let's look at the ones over here. Oh, Yorkies! Oh, look at you!
The one, he said the one I want to
Oh, look at the one with the wrinkles. You want to hold that one? Okay. Mommy wants to hold the big one. But So, if he looks scared, then he's not going to want to be held.
He's sad.
Mommy wants to hold that one.
I know, right? That one's sad.
No. Mommy brung us
We
here.
got the new cars and they're messing up.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so fat.
We used to just buy new.
Oh.
Except for my last car. All my cars have been brand new because I was afraid of that. The small dogs are.
Look at you. Oh, look at. Oh, look at this one.
He said that one's sad though. Okay.
Yeah, one of the bigger dogs.
I'm gonna hold this sad.
Huh?
I'm gonna hold this sad.
Fine. Oh,
Ask the person. Tell the person.
Nico, go.
I don't know.
Oh. Oh. One reason wolves shouldn't go to pet shops. Oh, they're so cute.
But real quick, because then we gotta get there.
I know, but that's the one that Nico wants to hold, and then I want to hold the ones over there.
Lisa,